Under the British Raj East India Company, officials from Calcutta made Barashat a weekend retreat and built houses with gardens. Warren Hastings built his villa in the heart of Barashat, and Bonkim Chandra Chatterjee was the town's first Indian deputy magistrate.
We finally reached Star Mall at Barashat. This is where our destination, the location for the shoot is today. A restaurant called Hakka Land. Now this is an oriental restaurant which serves a lot of Asian cuisine. So we're very excited to try this place out. I'm excited to show you what this place looks like. So let's get inside first. The crew for the day, we have the moderators of Food Spa, Shinchon as
Hi.
well as Veruka.
Hello.
We have Devroop here who is helping with the direction of this video. And we have Gangotri who is helping with the videography from the vlog team. Hi guys, excited?
Yes,
Very much.
excited. Very much.
Right guys, so we are settled inside Hakka Land right now. It's a beautiful place which is close to a 60 to 70 covers restaurant. And we have the menu of the place right here with me. So you start with the soups and the salads over here. Then you have momos and dim sums, baos. Next up you have different types of satays over here. Then you have the starters, veg as well as non-veg. Some more non-veg starters. You have sizzlers. And there are curries. There's rice, noodles. These are your staples. And then you have desserts before we move to the beverages. So we have the first two starters of the day. We have a black pepper lamb as well as a Szechuan barbecue chicken wings. So let's start with the black pepper lamb first. We'll get hold of this. It has a lot of these lamb pieces with some bell peppers, onions, etc. It's a very spicy kind of a preparation. Wow. It has a smoky taste too, which I'm really enjoying. Pretty good. Next up, my favorite, chicken wings. Gigantic piece of chicken. Just twirl it a little bit, twist it open. It's very meaty, very fleshy. Wow. This is cooked so well. This has a skin intact that gives an extra texture to it. It is so well marinated, so well flavored. I absolutely love this dish. It has different textures. You find to be very crispy, very juicy. An absolute must try over here. Next item which I have is a Pattaya chicken satay. Now the satays over here are pretty famous. Although it's a new place, the satays are doing pretty well. So you see, this is a chicken satay, so chicken in a stick. And this is a Thai dish. Normally whenever we have satays, we find that since it is beaten down, it's a little chewy. But this satay is pretty juicy, pretty moist inside. It's pretty good. Next up, we have a wasabi prawn over here. Pretty big size. Very crisp. I like the fact that the amount of wasabi they've given is just perfectly balanced. It's not too much. So it's not going to choke you while you try to eat this. Once again, pretty impressive. So we have a what's in the name drink over here. It's pretty refreshing. I would have preferred it to be slightly less sweet, but since it's a mix of lychee, anything which has lychee is going to make it very sweet. But some amount of lemon is kind of helping it go a little subtle down. Today, which is an oyster barbecue chicken bao. You can see the size of this. It's pocket sized. A lot of chicken. Just smack this. It's perfectly done. The sauce is in the right proportion. It's steamed pretty well, it's dressed pretty well, it's very soft, it's very juicy. It's really good. Guys, how has your experience been thus far? The starters?
The food is amazing. I loved the starters, especially as I'm enjoying this a lot.
What about you, Gangotri?
Barbecue lamb and black pepper or something. I love those.
Shinchan?
Absolutely in love with the place, a bit far from the city. Love the starters, especially the prawn and the lamb. It's good.
Medoka?
Because the wasabi prawn was my favorite and the bao was amazing. Unexpected, but it's great.
We have a mixed noodle with butter garlic prawn. And we also have a barman's pitcher over here. Very, very refreshing drink. It's got a mix of fruits, so it's very refreshing. Insane. The noodles is kind of a little smoky. This is one of the best noodles I've had. Even the prawns are so delicious, amazingly cooked. It's an absolute recommended item from my side. So we have a wok tossed chicken suckling sizzler over here. It's piping hot. I love my sizzlers to be served to me in this way. It has a lot of vegetables. I can see broccoli, I can see onions, there are bell peppers. If you ask me honestly, I preferred all the other items barring this. Just so that comparing them with their own stuff, the mixed noodles was so good, the starters were so amazing that it totally overshadows the sizzler. Did not like it that much. It might be good for a sizzler lover. I too am myself. But I would have preferred this item to be a little more smoky than what it is. So yeah, my choice is you avoid this and you definitely try the mixed noodles. That is insane. The final main course of the day is a lamb rangdang with steamed rice. Very flavorful, very subtle. It's pretty easy on the stomach. That's the beauty about Asian cuisine. No matter how much you fill yourself with, you're not going to be bloated up too much. Pretty easy on your palate. Whoa. So this is the final bit of the menus. We have a dessert which is a Nutella spring roll. You can see the chocolate coming out. If you're a chocolate lover, if you're a Nutella lover, You are gonna go berserk with this. What I like about this is, of course, if it has Nutella, it's gonna taste amazing. The chocolate syrup which is drizzled on top, this is homemade dark chocolate. It's not Hershey's. So this is amazing. It's a perfect way to end an amazing day.
So, guys, moderators first. How was your experience today? Main course.
Amazing. This has Nutella. It's great.
Overall experience was brilliant. Starting from the starters, the main course, everything was very good. The dessert is also very nice, but as I am not a sweet lover, so I didn't like it much. But it was good.
খুব দারুণ এক্সপিরিয়েন্স ছিল অনেকদিন পর বাইরের সিটি থেকে মেন সিটি থেকে বাইরে এসে একটা ভালো জায়গায় খেলাম অ্যান্ড দ্য লাস্ট ডেজার্ট ইজ ভেরি গুড
So the journey from Calcutta to Barashat has been lovely. The dishes were amazing. I loved it. And you know, this sweet ending was fabulous. I loved it. And not to forget the starter section. It was brilliant. So overall, an amazing experience.
So that was our experience at Hakaland. We had an amazing experience over here. From the food, the service, the ambience, everything was an overall very good experience. You do not have to just take my word for it. You need to come visit this place yourself. Drop me a comment below. Let me know your experience. Also, let me know which your favorite items are from this place. Until next time, this is Foodspa wrapping up from Barashat at Star Mall. Cheers.